Tiege Hanley, is it really the most uncomplicated skincare for us men out there? Or is it just too hype? Well, today you'll find out because in this video, I'll be going over their packaging, products, ingredients, subscription, and their pricing. Well, first and foremost, I want to say thank you to Tiege Hanley for sending me the level 3 of the skincare system. So, with that being said, let's get into the video. But if you are new here, make sure you subscribe down below because I make videos like this every single week and you don't want to miss it. First thing first, their packaging. Man, their packaging is really simple and really uncomplicated. It's just a simple black box with the Tiege Hanley logo in it. So once you open this package, you will see this note saying thank you for your order. But behind that, this is something that I have never seen in any other skincare company. Like, they tell you when to use each product, and the best thing about it is they tell you how much to use of each product. Like, that is really so simple and uncomplicated. Like, it does not get any simpler than that. And once you get this out of the way, you'll finally get to see your Tiege Hanley products. Okay, now let's go over the products. But before we talk about their products, I want to say that several skincare companies test their products on animal, but Tiege Hanley is not tested on animal, but rather on human volunteers. So that's looking good so far. So now let's talk about the Tiege Hanley products. So first we have the Tiege Hanley Daily Face Wash for every morning and before going to bed. So what this will do is take out all like grime, dirt, and excess oil that stays in your face. So a face wash is really the essential for keeping your skin clean and healthy. Something that I realized about this product is that it says this is fragrance free on their website, but this does have a smell. But I checked their ingredients and it does not have perfume. And what you can smell is actually all their natural ingredients like lavender. But with that being said, our second product is the exfoliating scrub. They made it so simple for you guys. Like, they even said that use it 2 times per week. You don't need to exfoliate your face more than 2 times a week. And they made it simple for you guys. So whenever I use this exfoliating scrub, I actually get a cool sensation in my face, and I think it really does a nice job of cleaning all that excess oil, dirt, and grime that stays in there and bringing the natural glow of my skin. So I really do like this product. Next up, we have the Tiege Hanley AM Moisturizer. Now, what I like about this moisturizer is that this has an SPF of 20. So when you go out in the sun, this Tiege Hanley got you. It will protect your skin when you're out in the sun. So you don't have to worry about buying a moisturizer and an SPF cream. Now that would be too much. But Tiege Hanley, they have SPF in their AM moisturizer. So this is really nice. Next up, we have the Tiege Hanley PM Moisturizer. Now, you obviously don't need an SPF when you're sleeping at night. So there is no SPF in here. But one thing that I realized a while ago was that you cannot use the same moisturizer in the morning and at night. That is not how it works, because during the day your skin does need the SPF, but at night time it does not. So this product actually have the level in it saying AM and PM, so it does not get any simpler than that. But whenever I use this product, my face does not get dried out or oily, so that is a plus for me. So with that being said, next up we have the Tiege Hanley Super Serum. Now you might be saying, what in the world is a super serum? So this is actually their anti-aging cream where you should use this every morning and every night, especially if you are getting older and you are seeing signs of your skin getting wrinkles and stuff like that. This is a definite need for you, because this is going to help you look younger by reducing wrinkles or preventing any signs of skin aging. So if you think you are getting older, definitely pick this up. Or even if you are young, I think you guys should pick it up because this is going to help you stay young. You know, last but not least, we have the Tiege Hanley Eye Cream. What this will do is it will fight against dark circle or puffiness under your eyes. So if you guys have any dark circle or puffiness, then definitely try this out. Like, for example, I sometimes get 5 or 6 hours of sleep, and this really is a lifesaver. So with this products out the way, let's talk about the ingredients that is in their skincare product, because I have made several videos talking about ingredients that you guys should avoid that are found in skincare products like fragrances and mineral oil. And guess what? Tiege Hanley do not contain any fragrances or mineral oil. So for me, they're good on that. So now let's talk about their subscription and their pricing. So Tiege Hanley actually have 3 levels of skincare system. So level 1 has a face wash, an exfoliating scrub, an AM and a PM moisturizer, which goes for $25 a month. And level 2 has everything in level 1, plus you get an eye cream, which goes for $35 a month. And level 3 has everything in level 2, plus you get a super serum, which is $45 a month. On top of being very affordable, they also have free shipping all over US. And you can cancel their subscription anytime you like. Best thing that I like about Tiege Hanley is they will give you 100% of your money back, guaranteed, if you are not satisfied with their skincare products. So I don't see what the problem is here, because Tiege Hanley is giving you a handsome guarantee and will give you all 100% of your money back if you're not happy with their products. So definitely go check them out. Link is in the description below. So with all that being said about Tiege Hanley, I just want to say that I have seen big YouTubers like Teaching Man's Fashion, Alex Costa, and of course the man himself, Aaron Marino, over at Alpha M. I have seen all of them promote Tiege Hanley, and I just want to say that they would not put their own brand in jeopardy to promote something that they do not believe in, that will not work. So I realized that promoting products is not that easy and simple, because you are putting your own brand in jeopardy. So that's why I had to try Tiege Hanley for a month to see if this is worth it or is it just overhyped. With that being said, I think this is really worth it, worth the price and worth the whole thing. So if you guys want to change your life and start taking action and taking care of yourself, there's gonna be a link down below. Tiege.com/changingpeopleslife. If you click there and use the code DOPP to get a free travel bag to put this goodies in with your first box. So it's a win-win situation for you. Plus it's 100% money back guarantee if you don't like their product. So I don't see what your loss is here. But definitely go check them out. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe down below and turn on that bell notification. Thank you again, Tiege Hanley, for sending me the level 3 of the skincare system. It is definitely worth it. So guys, check it out. Link is down in the description below. With that being said, I will see all of you guys with your handsome face with the Tiege Hanley box.